make sure you get an x-ray before you get adjusted. So let me show you why it's important that we take x-rays prior to doing any adjustments. I had this patient come in to see me. They complained of neck pain, occipital pressure, some headaches, and all she wanted was an adjustment. She didn't really want an x-ray, but I said it's important that we get an x-ray. Let me show you why. This bone here is the atlas. It's shifted forward. It isn't right. This is bad right here, very, very bad. I did not adjust her. We sent her straight out for an MRI to see what's going on. Let me show you what that looks like. So her MRI comes back, and you'll never believe this. Take a look at this spot over here. Her spinal cord and brainstem is getting compressed. This is not good. If she were to get adjusted, she'd probably die on the table, and this is not what we want to do as chiropractors. Make sure you get an x-ray before you get adjusted.